maghanap na naman ng joiners po.
Ipo-post mo po. Mga ilang oras.
Nakapost na po siya 2 hours po. Yung floral arrangement. Yung palit tayo, charge na yata yan. Tapos do not flatten.
Ito pa itong video mo, napapang.
Pwede po alisin mo na yung paano. So, sige po. Alisin po natin yung paano. So, yung clay is wants slow, gentle, but firm movement. Ayaw niya ng masyadong harsh kasi it has memory. And also, it also matches your energy. So, when you're relaxed, the clay follows. When you're tense, the clay collapses. So, usually po, ang motion natin is, slow, gentle, but firm, and very intentional. Okay? So, first thing, you have to round the clay like this. So, imagine that there's air pockets po sa loob na gusto natin mapump. So, parang kinocompress po natin yung clay. We're not flattening it, we're turning it into a nice round shape.
Round shape.
Yes.
Ano na?
Mga usually around 20 times. Not a strict rule. Alright. Sige po. Tapos, hanap tayo ng spot na walang cracks or walang folds. Yun po yung gagamitin natin na ilalim.
Yung walang crack mo, no?
Apo. Tapos, ito-press natin siya against the back. Yan. Okay. Now, if you want your piece to be low and wide, pwede mo siyang i-press pa. Pero if you want it to be taller, no need to press even further. Para lang po yan, may base siya, hindi siya magwawobble. Okay? Alright, and the bottom has the tendency po to crack. So mamaya, kapag we're halfway through the pinching, ibabaliktad po natin siya ulit and we will wipe it. Okay po? So for now, let's add a center or a hole by pressing the centermost part po. Sige po, medyo matigas yan, so firmly press on the center, but of course, you want to leave some clay left at the bottom. Okay, very good. Sige po. Kapag nabutas, ulit-ulit. And okay lang po yun. Kasi clay is very forgiving. You can start over and then you can just recycle. So don't worry to make mistakes po. Importante rin sa pottery, malaman kung yung ability to know when to try to save the piece or when to start over. So, okay lang po kapag at some point, parang masyado ng manipis or nagko-collapse, hindi na sumusunod. Okay lang po umulit. Okay po? So, next, the goal is to widen the opening and to thin down the walls. So, you can use this po as reference. Ganyan po manipis yung goal po natin. Okay po. So, you will focus first on the first layer. First layer lang muna. So, you will press on the lowest part of the wall, and we will just focus there muna hanggang sa ma-reach natin yung thickness that we're going for. Remember, slow, gentle, but firm movements. No?
Baka dumulipis yung ilalim.
Basta wag lang po wag lang natin i-press yung floor ng clay. Sa gilid lang po. I'll cut mine lang po in half para makita niyo po yung loob.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ka. Pwede yung kape dito.
Okay, so ito lang po muna, focus lang po muna tayo dito hanggang sa nilipis na siya.
So, dali na po.
Dun lang po. Make sure you're not pressing against the floor po. Okay. So we're focusing here lang. First layer lang muna tayo.
Parang donut to. Kakainin.
More pa. Makapal pa yan. I can see from here it's still thick. So, pwede mo ito hawakan. Okay lang madumihan to. Ma-wash off naman siya. So, hawakan niyo po para alam niyo yung thickness niyan.
Ganun eh.
Yes. Pa? Tapos medyo may naiiwan yung clay dito sa taas. I can see from here. Sige, pera mo na ko. Pwede mo siyang hawakan sa ilalim. Tapos lagay mo yung finger mo sa loob. And you will have an idea gano'n siya kakapal. Mga ganyan pa siya sa ilalim. So, nipisan pa natin ng konti. We can push this clay out. Yan, tapos sundan mo lang. Push up mo lang yung bottom part. Yun kasi yung isa sa pinaka-important ko yung ilalim. Very good. Okay. Ang isang tendency rin po, kapag pinapress natin siya, lumuluwag na lumuluwag na lumuluwag. Tapos nang beyond control na, sobrang laki na, hindi na siya mag. So, ang gagawin niyo po, you support it from the other side. Tapos, habang nag-pinch po kayo, you do this motion. So, you pinch, compress at the same time. Tapos, para po hindi siya lumuwag na lumuwag.
Kapal pa yun. Ayun, mangkok.
And I'm sure nakikita niyo na po yung cracks by now. That's completely normal. It's just the outer layer of the clay for drying out. So as soon as you see the cracks, it's best to address them po. Konting water lang. Dampen your sponge, remove the excess water. Tapos, smoothen lang po. Intentionally, smoothen everything. Spot by spot. So, wipe. May konting force po para lang mag-seal. Enough to seal the cracks. Let's try to smoothen first. Dahil kapag lumalim yung cracks, mas mahirap i-address. Maraming hugot po yung clay eh.
Ibaba ko ng konti. Ibaba ko ng konti.